Hey there, food lovers! Today we're creating the dreamiest Atlantic beach pie ever. It's a sweet, salty, tangy taste of coastal magic that feels like a sunny day at the beach. This pie is simple, rustic, and unforgettable. Each bite invites you to savor the moment. The salty, crunchy crust with the zesty lemon-lime filling creates a delightful dessert experience. The beauty of Atlantic beach pie is in its simplicity and joy. Let's bake with love and create something special together. Every great adventure starts with gathering your supplies. Before you even preheat the oven, it's all about setting the stage for success. Think of this as assembling your toolkit for a delicious journey. Here's what you'll need for Atlantic beach pie. Let's break it down step by step. For the crust, we'll use 1.5 sleeves of saltine crackers, which is about 60 crackers. These are the secrets to that irresistible salty sweet bite. Next, a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, at room temperature so it blends easily, and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. That's your crust base. For the filling, 1 can, 14 ounce of sweetened condensed milk, and 4 large egg yolks are used. These create a creamy, rich texture that's the heart of the pie. Then, a 1/2 cup of fresh lemon and lime juice is mixed together for a bright, tangy flavor. For the topping, 1 cup of cold, heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. This will whip up into a cloud-like topping. And don't forget a sprinkle of coarse sea salt for that final flourish. It really makes the flavors pop. Use classic saltines for that signature salty crunch. Avoid flavored or low-sodium versions for the best results. Fresh citrus juice is a must. Skip the bottled stuff. The real fruit gives your pie a vibrant, zesty kick that can't be matched. Make sure your cream is super cold for the fluffiest topping. A chilled bowl helps too, so pop it in the fridge ahead of time. Lay out all your ingredients before you start. Mise en place makes everything easier. It keeps you organized and stress-free as you bake. This simple list of ingredients transforms into something truly special. A pie that's both nostalgic and refreshing. Check your pantry, grab what you need, and let's move on to the most fun part, making the crust. Double check that you have everything before you start. No substitutions on your first try. The magic is in this combo. Trust the process and let the original flavors shine. Each ingredient plays a starring role, coming together to create a pie that's more than the sum of its parts. Ready? Let's build our salty foundation and start the transformation from simple ingredients to a show-stopping dessert. It's time to make the crust. This is where our pie's unique flavor journey begins, with a salty, crunchy base that sets it apart from the rest. Start by crushing your saltine crackers, either in a food processor for speed, or by hand in a zip-top bag with a rolling pin if you want to get the kids involved, or just enjoy the process. The goal is to get fine, even crumbs for the perfect texture. Pour the cracker crumbs into a large bowl, then add softened butter and a bit of sugar. Mix everything together until the mixture resembles wet sand. Every crumb should be coated and glistening, ready to hold together. Press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie plate, covering the bottom and sides evenly. Take your time. An even crust means every bite will have that perfect salty crunch. There's no need to grease the plate. The butter in the mixture does all the work, ensuring the crust won't stick and will lift out beautifully. Bake the crust at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes until it turns a lovely golden brown. Keep an eye on it. The transformation is quick and satisfying. This pre-bake step is essential. It gives you a crunchy, irresistible base that won't get soggy once the filling is added. Plus, the aroma of buttery, toasted crackers filling your kitchen is simply outstanding. While the crust is baking, it's the perfect time to prepare the star of the show, the tangy citrus filling. Gather your ingredients and get ready for the next delicious step. Building this crust is easy and fun. Kids especially love helping with the cracker crushing, making it a great family activity. Make sure the crust is compact and firmly pressed so it can hold up to the creamy filling. For best results, use the back of a spoon or a measuring cup. A strong, sturdy crust is the foundation of a truly great pie. It's what keeps every slice together and delivers that satisfying crunch. While the crust bakes, let's move on to the filling. Get your zester and citrus ready. Things are about to get even more delicious. While the crust bakes, let's whip up the citrus filling. In a bowl, combine the sweetened condensed milk and 4 egg yolks. Whisk until smooth and pale yellow. Add a half cup of fresh lemon lime juice, whisking as you pour. The mixture will thicken almost instantly. Kitchen magic. This filling is creamy, tangy, and comes together in minutes. Fresh juice gives the pie its signature zing. Once the crust is golden and out of the oven, pour the filling in and spread it evenly. The contrast of the pale yellow filling and golden crust is beautiful. This step is quick, easy, and mess-free. Take a moment to enjoy the fresh citrus scent. It's sunshine in a bowl. Your pie is almost ready for its final bake. Simple, bright, and delicious. Let's unite crust and filling. Next up, baking it to perfection. Pour the citrus filling into the warm crust and smooth it out. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until the filling is just set with a slight jiggle in the center. Don't overbake. Residual heat will finish the job as it cools. Remove the pie and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Once at room temperature, cover and chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. Chilling sets the filling and melds the flavors. Patience pays off. This step is key for perfect slices. While the pie chills, prepare the final flourish. Homemade whipped cream. The hardest part is waiting, but it's worth it. Soon you'll have a pie that's sliceable and spectacular. Let's make that fluffy topping. Time to crown your pie with homemade whipped cream. Chill your mixing bowl and beaters for 15 minutes. Pour in cold, heavy cream and add powdered sugar. Beat on low, then medium-high until stiff peaks form. Don't overmix. Spread or pipe the whipped cream over the chilled pie, or dollop onto each slice. Finish with a sprinkle of coarse sea salt for that signature Atlantic Beach pie touch. The whipped cream balances the tart filling and salty crust perfectly. Simple, quick, and so much better than store-bought. Your masterpiece is almost ready to serve. Let's slice and enjoy. The moment of truth. Time to slice and serve. For clean slices, dip your knife in hot water and wipe it between cuts. Lift out the first piece and admire the perfect layers: golden crust, creamy citrus filling, and fluffy whipped cream. Each bite is a symphony: sweet, tart, salty, creamy, and crunchy. Serve with pride and watch your guests light up. This pie is perfect for any occasion: summer barbecues, holidays, or just because. It pairs beautifully with coffee or iced tea. Every slice is a taste of sunshine and a seaside vacation. You've created more than dessert. You've made an experience. Enjoy the smiles and memories this pie brings. Share your creation with friends and family. Savor every bite. You earned it. That's the joy of baking. Here are our top tips for pie perfection. If your crust mixture is too dry, add a bit more butter until it holds together. For maximum citrus juice, use room temperature lemons and limes. Roll them on the counter before juicing. Always use fresh juice for the brightest flavor. Don't rush the chilling. Let the pie set fully for clean slices. Make the pie a day ahead for best results. Once you've mastered the classic, get creative. Try lime zest in the whipped cream, swap in Ritz crackers, or garnish with berries. The kitchen is your playground. Have fun and make it your own. Trust your instincts and enjoy the process. These little tweaks make a big difference. Congratulations, you did it. You've made the dreamiest Atlantic Beach pie ever. Thanks for watching and joining us in the kitchen. Your pie is a slice of happiness. We'd love to see your creations. Share your photos and stories on social media and tag us. You can even share in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more delicious adventures. There's so much more to bake together, so don't miss out. We hope this pie brings sunshine and smiles to your table. Enjoy every bite. You've earned it. Until next time, keep things simple, cook with love, and always save room for dessert. Happy baking!